And now we do the front pattern. And to make a extension line right here, to make an extension line, to make sure this front pattern can be made here. We do back again. We can also do this line, make a extension line. And right click and connect them together. And this is the cross steps. This is the make a vertical line. We can also make an extension line. Select this line, click left button to make an extension line. This is the waist line. This is the cross steps line. And now we have to determine the hip. The hip, we put the formulates. Click left button and input the formulate the set divided 4. Add a volume or minus a volume. Click OK, right click, and to make a vertical line, select line, make a horizontal extension line, and pick point. This point as reference by near, and we can input the formulate set times 0.5 divided 10. Click OK. And this part is this part. And make a, this is a knee line. We can also select them to make an extension line. And we have to divide it, this part from here to here, 2 parts. And make this one, make a pick point on the line, and by near, and right click and make an extension line, to make a vertical line. Select them to make an extension line. And now we have a cross point here. Select a right click and click the cross point. And now we use this tool, symmetry point. Click the symmetry point, click left button, and input the formulate. Here we have to enter the data knee divided 4 minus some volume. Right click. Here is the same operation. This tool, click central point with left button and click on the line and input the data. This is the button. Sorry, this is the button. And divided 4 add minus a volume. Right click. And now we can connect them. This is the same line, right? Actually, this is a line, the data over here. The data over here, this line. We can check. Sorry. I think it's line here. Down from cross. Oh, this one. This is the same line. 32. We can see this line is almost 32. So we cannot make the similar of this part because we took the reference picture. It's not actually the same pattern. We make a similar pattern. So the data approximately equal. And we do that, we connect the same line. And now we have to determine the front crotch. Click left button and click left button with click left button and move the mouse. Free line, click left button and right click input into the data. This is the front crotch and click OK. and right click, and we can adjust the shape of the round crotch line. Right click left button, right click on the line, and put the data with divided 4 and 1 as a dart. And right click. Actually, we can modify the position of the line. Right click. Okay. The green line, the green points, and the line all can be adjusted as you see. It's determined on you. It's determined on the design. And there are kinds of ways to join the Python. As you have known how to use in this tool, as you know how to making Python in BOK, right click, and now we can connect it. Now the front pattern we made, right click, click the point, left button, right click on the line to adjust the line, right click, click this point left twice with left button, and to adjust the shape of the line, adjust the shape of the same line. And this line we can also we can change it, right? We can change the point here to adjust the position. As you can see, press Alt G, we can check the graining. Right? Alt G. And back to design mode. We can do the design, the pocket ourselves. Right click and pick point, and right click to adjust the shape of the pocket. You can making the pocket by the data, and back again. We can make a line here and move the position. Right click, as you can see. We can adjust now. All this line can be adjusted to meet our needs. This is the lines of the rectangle. Right click. And we can make this part, the zipper, and the fly. Back to the mode and click on the line to cut the flying length. Okay, right click. The flying length is from here, and we can make pick a point on here and to adjust the shape of the fly. Right. All this can be adjusted. Press on G, we can check the graining rate. We can by scar, as you can see, it's a well automatic grinding. Open G, and you can see and if you want to add a zipper, we can also add a zipper. Click on the line, right click, you can use the zipper length. Right, and right click, select then, and click. This is like the zipper. Actually, the different type can show different meaning of the inner line. We can pick it out. Take the pattern out, right click, slice it in sequence, and click the pattern making. Slice the inner line. Right click, click OK. Now we see, check the grading, align the grading to check the grading if right or not. Now the pattern we have made successfully. All those line and point can be adjusted. Modify. We can modify the size. If you want to check the pattern's grading, click the pattern, click the basic to the graph, and click the SM and show them all. Click yes. You can see all the size. If you want to check one size, you can click no and show them. And click this one straight line. You can add the straight line to check the grading, to check the each size. And here you can show the straight line. Right click and we can also modify the size. This is the S size. We can modify the, as you can see, we can modify the knee line. First, I have to make a shadow. Select it and press D to make a shadow. Press the D on the keyboard. D, A, B, C, D, D. And we can now we can input the data to, as you can see. Now we make the knee wider, right? As you can see, now we can change the style of the pattern, and it's also automatically graded, right? We can change the front rest. As you can see, I only changed the one size. Back again. If I click all size, click the front rest 1 cm and click OK. As you can see, all the size will automatically graded and didn't change their shape. I can also change the other parts as long as I quoted the size chart. As you can see, right? Right? To check the grading. Right? Seat. Right? Now we have to keep this file, save the file. Pence, inch. Okay, I will send this file to you and send the video to you. You can try it yourself. If you want, before you learn this video, you can learn those tools and learn some lessons I sent to you. Then you can operate yourself quickly.